Using 2 pair of pliers, pry the brace band open enough to slide over the base of bow 3. Then, squeeze the flange back together with pliers. Next, attach a wind brace to the brace band. With the wind brace lying on the ground, attach it to the brace band with a supplied bolt. Just finger tighten the nut for now. Ensure your bolt is facing to the inside of the tunnel to avoid puncturing the plastic. Next, slide a brace band onto bow 2. Then, attach the other end of your first wind brace to the brace band on bow 2. At its natural connecting height, attach it to the brace band and finger tighten the nut. Check to see that both bows are visually plumb, then tighten the nuts with a 1/2 inch socket or wrench. Repeat the previous steps for the next wind brace. Begin just above the connection point on bow 2 and go up with the wind bracing to bow 1. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 corners of your caterpillar tunnel. Thank you for choosing the Farmer's Friend Wind Bracing Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or call 931-583-0397.